Yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy Wise. Be back with another video. I don't even like saying that, but that's that YouTube shit. My God, we back in Queens.
Support's free, you already know.
Let's get it, son. Cause my son, wow, he could go all the way. You got way more faith than young niggas.
Nah, I'm good though. I'm comfortable.
Yeah.
I probably look squid. Nah, I can maneuver.
I know you good. That's cool.
You look like you aggravated right now.
No, I'm not.
You take one for the team.
It's because the car not moving. If the car was moving, you'd have been tight. Knees on the dashboard.
They not even touching it.
Yo, you gotta keep your legs like that. See, I ain't gonna hold you. My thing is right now, like, this window dead now, closing.
Is that? You turned the car on?
Yeah, go down.
You got this stink ass garbage truck that says. This shit.
This shit gonna be mad funny for the video.
What's up, Wise want to play ball for real?
Hey.
What's up, Wise about to scrape niggas?
Yo, I ain't gonna play, man.
So I ain't know, cause like yo, bro, I used to really play ball. You know what I'm saying? On some shit, but I ain't know you could practice, bro. On some like go out and get your jump shot rate. I was really nice though, boy. Dead ass. So now I do this shit, man, bro. I be going crazy. So I be out there for like 5 hours. Dead ass. On some, if I'm trying to make it, yo, the niggas on like the conductors on the train, they be looking at me like, chase your dream, young brother.
Damn, you only got one.
Yeah, son.
You tell you to chase your dream,
Niggas say chase your dream, young brother. I be like, these niggas is crazy. Cause they hate their job. I can only imagine how they feel. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. And they on a fucking train conducting that shit. They doze off.
That's light. My son's out here working right now. You see my boys?
That's what I'm saying. They hate that shit though.
They get into the back.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm against all this shit, bro. My shit broke the window. My son broke the window. Okay. That's how a nigga just blame a nigga for some shit. He probably was already having window problem.
Yo,
And that's how it be happening though.
That's
bro. Once you the last nigga in there,
that's a
it's your fault. That shit cost $1,000. That nigga's blaming you for life. That's how niggas stop talking. No funny shit.
It's crazy because he was there saying that. I'm trying to tell this nigga like, yo, this shit just stop. Bring the window.
Like we could all sit here and go testify everything, but he ain't hearing that shit because he know that we gonna agree with all. And that's how shit just be playing out, bro. This the last thing one nigga wanna hear, son. You can't close the window, what? It's just like having the door open to your crib, bro. No locks.
It's a no locks.
Old nigga swag.
Sealing up.
I keep
Sealing up be bull. That's why I asked.
We anticipating this shit and everything.
This nigga nut would have had us in here weak.
Fact.
On that camera too.
He gonna get in the car when we don't give a shit. Watch.
He said some funny shit.
Yeah, I still got a recording of the nigga. Yo, he told us some like like, bro, let me see. I still got this shit, bro. Cause I recorded it on my camera too. Look.
That ass, bro. That shit sounds crazy, but I really can't remember. Probably like a shirt. I mean, that ain't too much, right? Like, I ain't buy no like expensive shirt. Just some regular shit. I bought a champion shirt.
Yeah, but see, this is what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to get my wardrobe back to that. Meaning, like, you got so many $100 shit in your shit.
Yeah, that's
you could buy a $500 shirt and mix it in with the $100 shit, and you just look super flexible. That's why you throw an outfit in with the shit that you got. Like this, look, come out new. Like this, I like niggas can't understand where you getting all the shit from.
I like shit like jeans.
That's why niggas always was like, you fly, nigga.
For this, you can wear it with a few outfits. It makes sense.
Let me tell you something. For real that you really want to throw low in your clothes cleaners. If you got a lot of fly shit and you're not hard on shit, send your shit to cleaners. I'm telling you, they'll keep that crisp look that you always need. And when you send all your jeans to the cleaners, you get the cheap. You're gonna wonder why you got a lot of shirts. You know why? Because all your jeans is well preserved to a point where you can put anything on top to go with your jeans.
I'm about to change the game, so I mean,
I'm about to change the game.
No, that's listen. That's the first thing they look at is your sneakers. They're up to the bottom. It's the first thing they look at.
I ain't changed the game.
When you look at the bitch, what's the first thing you look at?
alright.
Sneakers. Sneakers, man. You look at them like this, look.
I already know what you got on.
Yeah, no, because you looked at the ass is like this, look. The ass is fat, but you like, damn, I can't fuck. You like, no, I can't fuck with her. She got some busted ass, old ass Uggs going both ways. She like this, look. Hell no, I can't walk with this bitch. It's not my style. You heard? For real. That's the first thing you look at, bitch. I don't care how fly a bitch is. You're not walking on the block with a fly ass bitch with some busted ass Uggs on, leaning crazy hard. That fucking look like they bleached halfway. She trying to clean them. Walk on the block with a dot.
Oh, that was that time, man. Them times.
Yeah, the big listen a little bit. Yeah. The big way is my goals, man. Like I saw, I said, listen to me. Only me, listen. Try to be respectful of this shit. Like, you gonna handle it, but by this date, I'm handling it myself. Now the bitch try to call me. I'm like, yeah, I'm playing.
It's crazy, bro.
Now she can't stand me. All the bitches can't stand me. It's crazy.
And really shit I used to really listen to, bro, on some real shit. Like, this is the way, man. Nothing really happened. You know what I'm saying? Right on the block.
I know that shit gotta be.
This was like 2 years ago.
This shit?
Talk this shit, believe this shit yourself. You gotta believe, you gotta convince yourself you can do it.
So I don't see it no other way, bro. Like, for real.
Convince yourself. Like,
I don't see it no other way. I don't see it no other way.
Answer. Like, dead ass serious. It's not like someone's just talking. Someone's really trying to fill in your head the things that you gotta say to yourself all the fucking time. You gotta eat, dream this shit. You gotta be ready to perform. You gotta be ready to have bars. You gotta be ready to sing. You gotta be ready to entertain. You better know how to move a crowd. Learn how to move a crowd, my nigga. Start learning how to move a crowd. Practicing how to get the crowd into it. How to get the crowd moving. Start shit. Learn how to do whatever you gotta do. You gotta honor your craft. You don't get it by just talking about it. You gotta get it by practicing and preaching. If you practice anything so much, brother, you're gonna get good at it.
And dead ass, bro. This shit is so crazy, bro.
You're gonna get good at it. So if you got something there and you practice and own your skills, man, you don't pull something out. Keep on sharpening that knife, man. You know what I'm saying? Keep on going at it, man. Keep your
Like one of the Meek Mill joints where he be starting with his shit.
Shit down.
It's real.
Time you get up in the morning. Look at the shit. Put this shit in your brain. And don't settle for nothing less, man. Don't let no one tell you can't do nothing, because you already told yourself what you can do, and do it. You know, you ain't. That's all it is who wants the most, man. I'm telling you. If you want something, it's who wants it. You want that bitch as much you press it. You gotta press that bitch so hard. You know something? And you know the person caught you doing something, but they act like they didn't catch you. Yeah. Like this, look. They must have shot like.
You use that same button to put it down, right?
I don't know.
And you act like you didn't see it. You never seen that?
I don't know what was you talking about.
Yeah.
That's our button right there. You see the one that's down? Yeah, click it.
This shit?
Yeah.
When someone catch you in your thoughts.
So that means try
Yeah,
to
it's window lock.
You know?
That shit's scary.
try to open the door or something. Maybe this shit work like that.
Like someone knowing what you
Open the door.
What you mean?
They just open it, close it, and try to roll the window up. I don't even want to help, because then we going to have to go 50-50 type shit. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I know Thomas. This nigga crazy. Wow, like he ain't gonna. My son's door open. His crib open. Like, it don't even matter if you lock it. You might leave the whole jar open, son. Niggas gonna hang out in here like homeless people. Dale was here. Now we gotta watch this shit.
Yogi, you try. I'm
trying
to say Yogi.
You know what's so crazy? Hold on. We in the A. This nigga K Shorty locks the key in the car.
Niggas looked at you, right?
Bro, the shit right here. It's not even in the ignition. Shit right here. Water back window a little bit cracked. Bro, everybody trying to use the hanger, trying to get it open. Let me see. You know, I'll come. Let me see.
You gonna do it?
Shit not working for a little bit. Niggas take it from me. Yo, hold on. Everybody dip now. I'm still on it. Twist this shit. Do my little 1-2. Caught the little piece for the doorknob. Twist the hanger. Pulled the shit up. Got the shit open.
I say, yo. So I saw it.
That's crazy.
No, I'm about to see what's up. Just let it rock out for me.
I say, Yogi, the paint, man, gangster. Yogi getting busy. I see me saying Yogi clown shit the paint. I say Yogi. Yogi gonna get it. He gonna
get the job done.
I'm trying to say, watch. I know Yogi. He is.
I told you what he did though.
I pressed all 4 of them shits up.
That shit work. Hold on, wait.